Welcome to lesson 6 of creating vehicle monitoring system in Radxin Blazor. Now in this lesson we conclude our dashboard by implementing list of vehicles that exceeded the speed limit for the last 1 month. Please, I also appeal to you to support my work by going to the following link. Please, when you get there, make a donation of any amount. Also, please say something nice. So here is my page on Buy Me a Coffee. So so when you get there, you could support me with any amount. Let's say you're supporting me with $25, for example. You put your name and then you say something nice. Thank you. So now back to the lesson. You want to make a list of vehicles that exceeded the speed limit in the last 1 month. So now, this method that is between line 49 to 71, we are going to modify this method to create a list of vehicles that exceeded the upper limit in the last 1 month. So I copy it. So I'm copying the method. So I paste it between line 74 to 95. So list of vehicles exceeding a given speed limit in the last 1 month. Now, this method is going to be bound to a data grid. Now, our new method will return a list of speed measurement objects. We are going to add a namespace at the top here for using vehicle monitoring system .server .models .com data. Let me see. Server project. Speed measurements. .com data. Okay, what I've decided to do here was to use the fully qualified one. So I see, I got the spelling wrong. So I have using vehicle monitoring system .server.models.com data. So I can cut this. I still have this using. Okay. So let's change the name of this method to get list of vehicles exceeding upper limit. So we still have all the other stuff we did, like calculating the start and end date for the last 1 month, retrieving speed measurements. But we are also going to expand vehicle this time around. Expand vehicle. What are we doing here? This is an OData equivalent of joining of fetching. So what we are doing here is fetching a vehicle record along with that's a vehicle record, that's full details. along with each speed measurement. So now what I'm going to do is, after the filter, I'm going to put a comma and I'm going to say expand vehicle. So we are still going to filter the records by getting the list of vehicles that exceeded the upper limit. This time around we don't okay, we don't need this line. So yes, we can still convert to a list here. So all I'll just do is I can say return filtered measurements dot to list. So save all. So now after line 49, let's create a protected list of speed measurement. Let's call it the funny name of traffic offenders. Now let's go to the uninitialized async method. So let's say retrieving the list of traffic offenders. So we are going to say traffic offenders is equal to await get list of vehicles exceeding upper limit. We pass in normal speed value as the parameter, semicolon. Now, having done this, the next thing we want to do is to go to index.razor. Then I'm going to go to source. So now I'm going to scroll to the end of the Radzin row here. I'm going to paste a new Radzin row. I will ensure that I close the Radzin row immediately. Now inside this Radzin row, I'm going to have a Radzin column whose size XL I'm going to set to 12. I'm also going to close the Radzin column. Then after that, I'm going to have a Radzin card that I'm also going to close immediately. Inside my Radzin card, I'm going to have a Radzin text. This time around, I'm going to change this text to traffic offenders. The text property of the Radzin heading. Sorry, I'm inserting a Radzin heading there, not a Radzin text. But I'm changing the text property of the Radzin heading to traffic offenders. Now I'm going to put in a Radzin data grid. I'll close the Radzin data grid. Then I'll go to design. Okay, let me go back to source again. Something is wrong somewhere. Okay, the issue is with my Radzin data grid. Let me go to source. Let me remove the Radzin data grid. Let me go back to design. Let me go to toolbox this time around. Radzin.blazor. Let me find data grid. So here I have Radzin data grid. Drop it here. Let me apply configuration wizard to it. Say select method. No, I don't want to apply configuration wizard. Okay. So let me look for the data source property then. Okay, this is the data property. So bind to data. So I'm binding it to traffic offenders. I click OK. At this point, I'm going to save my work. Now it's time for me to add columns. Let me see. I go to source. So I have, this is what I have right now. So let me replace this Radzin data grid column with what I have here. So what am I doing on line 100? I have Radzin data grid column whose key item is vehicle monitoring system.server.models.conData.speed measurement. But the property right now is vehicle.make, which I do not want. So let me look at the model class. Let's look at vehicle class in the model class, in the model folder. So let's look at vehicle. So for vehicle, we have vehicle ID, we have the make, we have the model, we have the year, we have the VIN. So I want the VIN to show right now. So I'll go back to index.razor. So property will be vehicle.VIN. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste again. This time around, I need date and time inserted. So the property for the second data grid column will be date and time inserted. So the title this time around will be date offense was committed. Then the last Radzin data grid column we are going to paste there. Will be speed in kilometer per hour. So the property, the last property will be speed in kilometer per hour, and we change the title of that to speed in kilometer per hour. Then we do file. We are going to say file save all. At this point, I'm going to run the page and see what we have. So right now everything is going fine. Everything is going fine. So here we have the 3 traffic offenders. So see the date offense was committed, see the speed in km/h. Thank you for watching.